The cabinets next to the fireplace must be opened to operate the remote. To watch cable TV, press the main button, then press the green power button at the top to turn the system on. Once the system is on, you can press Watch Cable TV, then the Live button.
'50s north, and tomorrow for Saturday, warm and breezy.
To watch a Blu-ray, simply press the main button, the green power button to turn the system on if it's not already, and then watch Blu-ray. Then press Disc menu. This will take you to the DVD player's menu.
A slight chance of a shower, high of 78. Now,
When you're done watching, simply press main and the red power button at the top to turn the whole system off.